In the previous two videos, we have seen what is a decimal number system, what is a octal number system, and in this video we are going to see what you mean by a hexadecimal number system and how it is different from other number system. So the hexadecimal number system is coming from a word which is hexa and it represents your 16. Okay, the count is 16 here. So similar to your previous number system, what we have seen in decimal. So what we had in decimal number system, we have 0 to 9 used as the digit. That means total 10 digits are used there, and the base was 10, and the base was 10. Then we learnt about octal. So in octal 0 to 7, that means 8 digits were used there, right? And then the base was, how much base was? 8. Then we are going to learn about hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, the numbers used will be 0 to 15 and total 16 digits are there. Okay, and then the base here is 16. Now the problem here is we are saying that 16 digits or 16 characters to represent the hexadecimal number system. That means there will be what are the 16 characters, so starting from 0 till 15, but there is a problem. So what is the problem? Let us see. The problem is, so I can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after 9, ideally in decimal number system we know that a 10 will be coming, but for hexadecimal number system after 9 also I need 6 more variables to represent, right? So now here I cannot write 10, it will be wrong for hexadecimal number system. Why? Because 10 is not a digit, 10 is a combination of two digits which is 1 and 0, which we have already written here. So 10 cannot be used. So what is there? So for hexadecimal number system, what is done here, instead of taking digits, some alphabets are taken that starts from A, B, C, D, E and your F. Okay, so A will represent your 10, B will represent 11, C will represent 12, similarly D will be 13, E is your 14 and F is your 15. So like this there will be 0 to F which represents 16 digits are here. Okay, so now the thing is there are 16 digits, so that starts from 0 and it ends at 15, but effectively the value of 15 or the place of 15 is written as F here, F alphabet. So after 9 we cannot repeat the digit to represent the hexadecimal number system, and that is why A, B, C, D, E, F, the alphabets are used here. So let us just take an example how we can represent a hexadecimal number. So the hexadecimal numbers can be represented as, I can write 7, B, 1. So I can write like this, and the base is 16. So this represents a hexadecimal number system. Similarly, if I take another one, I can write F6, base 16 also I can write, or I can write 423, base 16. So these three are hexadecimal number system. So in the hexadecimal number system we are using B for representing the value of 11 here. Okay, so this is how the hexadecimal number system is represented. So the next point is that how to convert the hexadecimal numbers into effective decimal values. Okay, so for that, first what we need, we just need to know what is the value in hexadecimal and what is the value in decimal and what is the value in binary digit. So like these three things we need to remember. So these things we will be discussing in the next video, how the conversion will be working.